Hello all of you, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to study about something more on variables as I have stated in the previous video. Okay. Actually, I was planned to cover in this video particular the more variables also topic, operators topic also and expressions topic also. But due to the length of video that I have noticed, I have just minimized it up to the variables. Okay. So let's study about more on variables in this topic. We will deal with properties, some of the constraints that variables deals with in Python. Okay, only Python. And let's start. Okay, so as first of all, you should know what is meant by keywords. Okay, then after I will tell you what is the purpose of teaching keywords in this variable video. Okay, so firstly, keywords are the words particular, which is a big, or we can say keywords are the name or the words which are already defined in program itself. Okay, it is a part of programming language itself. It is a part of Python itself. Okay, or we can say, just take an example. You store particular folder in your computer. Okay, in your particular C. Okay, so you just store another folder with the same name. Okay, then computer gives you warning. What warning the computer gives? It shows that this name folder already exists. Do you want to replace it? Okay, or you want to store it, or whatever. We can say this type of warning is given by computer. But at this point, keywords are also the same words that are already present in Python language. Okay, we cannot use it like that. The folder name that has already existed in C, we do not use it again. We cannot use it again. Okay, if we wish to. But here, but there in Python, in computer and in day-to-day life, we have option to replace that folder. But in Python, we do not have option and like that. We cannot replace keywords. Okay, that are defined in particular language only. Okay, so yeah, I hope you are now understand what is keywords, that they are defined from the beginning of world. Okay, from the beginning when the language has started, or it is inbuilt in language itself. Okay, as easy as I can explain you. Okay, so these keywords. Okay, I will show you in no time the list of keywords. You can take a screenshot, or you can also search on Google. You will get the list. So the keywords cannot be used as an variable, or we can say naming cannot be used in the naming of a variable. Okay, how I will show you the list of keywords. Just wait a minute. Yeah. So these are the list of keywords. Yeah, you can clearly see this much are the reserved keywords in Python. Here is one note here. The keywords are the reserved words in Python. We cannot use a keyword as a variable name, function name, or any other identifier. Identifier I will teach you, I think, in third or fourth phase. Okay, just do not stress your mind. Here we cannot function name. Yeah, I don't think so. You know at this point what is function. So we will just concentrate upon variable name. We cannot use keywords, this much keywords as an variable name. Okay, we can use A, B, C, D, but we cannot use these words. Okay, so let's go towards now towards the naming rules regarding variables. Okay, yeah, say here naming rules of variable. Okay, the first rule. Okay, I will delete it. So first rule of what we can say defining variable is let me write here. First rule is we can only use alphanumeric characters, and or we can say what we call it as an I see underscore. Yeah. So we can only use alphanumeric characters and underscore. Okay, for defining the name of a variable. Okay, let's see. Here, alphanumeric characters means all alphabet from A to Z, or either it is in uppercase or lowercase. We can both use uppercase and lowercase from A to Z. Okay, and numeric means we can use numbers from 0 to 9, and underscore means it is an only special symbol that we can use in Python, that is underscore. Okay, let's start it with an example. So I have just stated that we cannot use keywords. Let's try to use it. Okay, let's try using keyword and here. That is a operator, one of the operator, logical operator. Let's try to use and here. So let's say and equals to 10, and I will say print and. Okay. Yeah, here's the error. This is invalid syntax. We cannot use and. Okay, we can use, I think, and. And is no keyword here. So here I also must use and. Okay. And is not keyword, but and is keyword here. Okay, we can use and, but we cannot use and. Yeah, that's the beauty of Python. Okay, we cannot use and here we do not get error when we are printing and, because where when a compiler goes from first instruction to last, the compiler gets an error in third instruction only. So he do not process for fourth instruction. We are also expect to get error for fourth instruction, but compiler does not proceed to fourth because they get an error and stuck in third only. Okay, so that's why we are getting error only in third instruction. Okay, so mark my words. Python, particularly while naming the variables, is very much case sensitive. Okay, if I will give an example. If I certainly write here capital N instead of small n, so this also means n only. Okay, this also denotes n only. We can say and. This and in pronunciation we call and the same way, but here the sense case we use a and d in small case and n in uppercase, or we can have uppercase. So here the output will be, let's see, output will be 10. That sum is. So what we can conclude from this, Python is case sensitive. Okay, Python is that sensitive that it can sense about the, what we can say, the changing cases of the alphabets, okay, or the characters. That was the first rule, that we cannot use what we can say keywords. Okay, and the rule I have just explained you that we can only use alphanumeric and what we call as an underscore, only special character. Okay, that we can use in Python. Let's try them. Let's now try print. Okay, this is a, let me define here what is an A. Okay, whatever, say 19. So yeah, we can use lowercase character. Here I have just demonstrated. Can we use uppercase? Let's see. Yeah, bro. We can use uppercase. Yeah. Let's try something alphanumeric, means collection of both alphabet and numerical. Let's try A1. Okay. Great. Can we use it? Yeah, of course we can use. Okay. Now let's try alphabet, number, and now let's combination of 3 also. That is alphabet, the numerical, and the special symbol, that is underscore. So we are using collection of 3 also. Can we use it? Of course we can. So the second rule is, okay, second rule is more important. Okay, we cannot second rule is, we must start naming of a variable with alphanumeric character. Okay, that's can be or we can say that we cannot start. Okay, sorry, I have just made a mistake in stating something. We can start naming of variable with alphabets, okay, and underscore only. We cannot start naming of a variable. The first letter should not be a number from 0 to 9. Okay, just mark my words. Okay, we will try. Let's try starting a naming a variable with a number. Okay, let's say 1, and I will write then V. I will take it as a 10, and I will write print 1V. So as I have started naming of variable with number, it will throw me an error. Yeah, so we cannot start the starting of naming of a variable with 1 or any number. I mean number from 0 to 9. Okay, we can start. Okay, we can start with the naming of a variable with a number, or no, with alphabet character or a special character, that is underscore. Let's see. Okay, wait a minute. It will throw an error again. Here we go. Okay, so that's what I want to explain in the second rule. So the last rule is that it is case sensitive, that I have already defined. Let's study more with this illustration. Let's try to print it. Let's try printing roll equals to 5. This roll equals to, this is the roll number of the students, and this roll equal to, let's say 30. Okay. We'll print all the rolls. Okay. Here we go. It is case sensitive. Python is case sensitive regarding naming of a variable. Okay. See here, this roll, rather in English it sounds same. Okay, it sounds same. It logically it sounds same, but it is different in Python. as the first row is all the characters in first row is in the lowercase, all the characters in second row is uppercase, and here in the fifth case, or we can say in the third case, the all the characters remaining the first character is in lowercase and the first character is in uppercase. So they will treat it as a different. All these roles are unique in their own. That's why we get a different output. Okay, so that's all I want to explain you in third role. Now I will explain you one more property of variable. That is, we can say, what we can name them. We can name it as a multiple assignment property. Okay, I will write here multiple assignment property. Great. Okay, what we gonna do? Let's try it. X comma y equals to 1 comma 2. Here we go. I will write in x comma y. So what we are doing, we are trying to defining or assigning variables in one line only. Okay, we do not defining first x equals to 1 and then defining y equals to 2, rather wasting the length of the code. We are just defining two variables in one line only. That's the beauty of it. And here, the most important thing, let's take out a look at the output. Yeah, we got x as 1 and y as 2. The beauty of this instruction is we cannot swap or we cannot disturb the order or the sequence of defining a variables also in LHS and defining literals also in RHS. Okay, if we just do midchips with defining literals, if I write 2 first and 1 then, it will not treat x as 1 now and y as 2 now. It will treat x as 2 now and y as 1 now. It all the game of sequence. Okay, let's see. Now x will be 2 and y will be 1. Yeah, we can see here. So you cannot disturb the sequence. Okay, so here x is treated as 2 and y is treated as 1. So that's all I want to explain. And yes, we can do multiple assignment like this also. X equals to y, y equals to z, z equals to, let's say, 10. So now we will print x, y, z. Okay. It is 10, 10, 10. X is also 10, y is also 10, z is also 10. Okay. As I have shown you that we cannot disturb the sequence of literals, we also cannot disturb the sequence of variables also in same order. Okay. Now we will see, as till now I have done defining variables using literals. Okay. Now I will define variables using variables only. Let's see that. So I can say here, I will comment here. What I will do assign variables to variable. What I will do x comma y equals to 1 comma 2. Yeah, okay. I will print x comma y. Great. Now I will do x comma y equals to y comma x. Just swapping, then nothing rocket science here. Here, x comma y again. Great. So what expecting here output, that is swapping of two numbers here. Here x and y is 1 and 2 respectively. And when we define this way, what is the specifically executing here? That is, x is getting a value of y and y is getting a value of x. If we change the sequence, then x equals to x and y equals to y. It is the same in, it will not have any disturb in first and second output. Let's try it. I will say both will be the same. That is 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, I guess it right. So after this all, as we have done assigning numerous variable, what assigning numerous variable in your program deals with, it occupies the space. The more of space you occupy, the more your processor will not work at that speed. Okay, the more you occupy the space of your PC. As that only, the more you define variables in your program, the program will get more complex. Okay, so for deleting that variables, there is one we can say one instruction is there, that is del. Okay, so I will write here comment using del deleting the variables. Okay, let's try x equals to 10. Okay, obvious. And now we can say, let's print x here again. We are deleting x here. Okay, this is the syntax of instruction. Just writes in your notes. Okay, and now I'm deleting x and now I'm printing x again, hoping that x exists now also. It's what it executes first two line of instruction, that is x equals to 10, and it printed the 10. But as it goes in third line of instruction, delete x, it has deleted x. But now they are not capable of printing x because x do not exist. Okay, name x is not defined because x is not exist now further. X existed till this two instruction. But as soon as I deleted x, it doesn't its existence is over. Okay, so that's what I want to explain you through this video. In the next video, we will deal with more on the operators. Okay, this phase is going to be more complex than first phase, so be ready for it. If anything you do not understand, write in comment. I will always ready for help. You need some improvement in the video, just say it. Okay, I will take it in positive side. So that's all. Thank you. Happy learning, and share with your friends. Okay, bye bye.